there I was, killing monsters. Kind of led to a whole overnight thing, you know. Kind of led me to sleep to like mid-afternoon, only to find out that 1.28 was released. You know, this is the second time I did this to Lumberyard. The second time. So, what's up, my fellow developers? Welcome back to another video. So, you guys know 1.28 is released. Oh, first and foremost, hope you guys like the new format. Camera might not be the best quality, because you know, it's my phone. But you know, we'll get a better camera down the road, and you know, we'll add on to it. But this is kind of how I've always wanted to do it. So if you guys like the new format, do let me know. As always, links in the description down below for Discord and Twitter, all that kind of stuff. You guys want to keep in touch with me outside of YouTube. Also makes it a little bit easier to kind of be a little bit myself and be a little more free with the videos. Also, let me know what you guys want to be played in the background. If I can keep playing these videos that are Lumberyard based or inspired or made by the Lumberyard team, or if you guys want to see, you know, maybe gaming, if that's something that you guys want to see to keep your attention while I'm talking, or I can even go as far as creating short videos and compiling like speed videos of like creating things in the engine and having that run in the background. So do let me know down below for sure, if you will. But let's get right into the video. 1.28 isn't really it isn't the update that we were looking for, so it's not that huge because that's coming either next or the one after the next one. Apologies. So yeah, so let's see. For 1.28, they have about 40 bug fixes to boot, from what I'm reading, and we do have some new stuff or some more refined things that are new in the engine. So things like the math libraries, if you guys saw the videos that I made before, that are also on the AWS blog, so definitely go read those if you want more detailed outside of what my video proposed, as far as like the new Atom renderer, like I said, the math libraries. There's new networking APIs that are getting added to the engine, more things about the prefabs or slices. So yeah, so this is the next update. The major one is going to be this. It's going to probably bring a lot of folks to the engine, so we got to make sure that we're on top of our tutorials and videos and whatnot. All right, so some of the highlights for 1.28 would be Twitch integration, the Twitch API, which I believe it also includes things like the chat API as well. Yeah, all of that has pretty much been rewritten. Also comes with a new updated wrapper for the latest Twitch REST API, which I believe that has a link that probably shows Twitch updating that on their own site. So we get new Twitch API gem documentation, as well as rewritten C++ docs. So for those who are more interested in C++ versus Lua and Script Canvas, this a plus for you. There's been some quality of life improvements to the setup and configuration, as well as simplified versions of cleaning up some of the options that either were non-existent or really didn't mean too much to your average user. Another quality of life thing was adding a progress bar to when you're building inside of the setup configurator, which is massive. If you know anything about building in Lumberyard at the moment, the progress bar for the long building will kind of subside you having to guess when you can work on your project. Some of the other newer things: updated cloud gems. So if you're using like the dynamic content gem, if you're using the player account gem, which those two are kind of really important when you're using the cloud gems, there's been some new sub commands added. You can definitely check out the blog for detailed list on what's added in those two gems, but those two were mainly updated. You also have the web communicator gem that was also updated with new sub commands. So if you've been using the cloud gems, this is definitely going to benefit you as well. And yeah, that's kind of actually the gist of the highlights for 1.28. Like I said, this was just an interim to hold us over until either 1.29 or 1.30, with all of the really cool stuff that we're going to get into, like the renderer, that kind of thing. Really looking forward to that. Some of the other changes and improvements include, like I mentioned before, the chat play gem. If you are looking to make a game that includes Twitch integration outside of the Twitch API, maybe you want to involve the Twitch chat, this is the gem that you will use for that. That's been deprecated in favor of a newer chat API gem. Another one is the Cloud Gem Portal. So that's been completely removed in the 1.28 and it's been relegated to the CLI, which is the command line interface. There are a couple of cloud gems that have been deprecated. So the Compute Farm, Defect Reporter, Game Metrics, In-Game Survey, Leaderboard, Message of the Day, Speech Recognition, and Text-to-Speech have been deprecated. So I don't know if they're going to rework those for a future engine release, or if it's going to maybe be refactored when they release things like the networking API and that kind of stuff, and how they're going to integrate cloud functionality into the engine. But the old way of going about it is deprecated. So yeah, that's pretty much the gist of 1.28. Like I said, it wasn't a big update. It was more of a quality of life with some new highlights, bug fixes, and features. As always, you guys can check the full release notes to see everything that was changed or updated or added newly. But I know most of you are waiting for the new renderer, the new build system that's going to make building projects a lot more intuitive and more modern. I'm also looking forward to those things. You know, guys know I make tutorials, so I'm just looking forward to all the cool stuff that's coming with the engine. But if you guys have any questions or comments, let me know down below. If you guys are excited for what's to come with the engine, also let me know down below and what you're excited for. If you guys like the new format, also let me know. Pretty much anything that you want to let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to follow all social medias, Discord, all that good stuff. But yeah, other than that, hope you guys are having a very dope day. Hope you guys are prospering in your projects. And until next time, keep developing.